The government says it's seeking legal advice over the patients who died, possibly as a result of strike action by Nehawu members. Health Minister Joe Phaahla says 4 patients have died since services were disrupted at various hospitals across the country. Hospitals in Gauteng, the Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal were severely affected by the strike, with many patients being turned away. eNCA's Moloko Moloto has the story.
Striking Nehawu members are accused of violence, intimidation and physically preventing their non-striking colleagues and patients from entering hospitals, a claim the union has denied.
We believe that a patient comes first. If actually we didn't think of that, we wouldn't have even allowed anyone to come in. But we've been escorting even our ambulances because we believe that you cannot keep an ambulance outside because it's an emergency.
Health Minister Joe Phaahla says the workers could face both disciplinary action and criminal charges.
Those who can be identified in one way or another as having participated in the violence, in the disruption, physical and so on, of disruption, they will face, on the one side, we explore with our legal team criminal charges, but also definitely disciplinary charges.
Nehawu's national office says it awaits advice from its lawyers regarding the minister's remarks. At the Charlotte Maxeke Hospital in Johannesburg on Tuesday, patients who traveled from as far as Mafikeng in the Northwest Province for cancer radiation therapy returned home without receiving treatment. Women who were at the hospital to give birth also went spared.
You deliver the mothers, how much blood is there? What are you going to do with the 5th one? So we couldn't get linen anyway. But what we did, we had to rationalize whatever, in the wards where, the linen is, the patient can sleep another 2 days on the same sheet, so that we divert it to maternity, to ICUs and to casualty.
At the Chris Hani Baragwanath Hospital in Soweto, striking workers say they were shot at by police. Ironically, these workers were treated at the same hospital they withdrew their labor from. Meanwhile, the Labour Appeal Court will hear Nehawu's appeal of last week's judgment by the Labour Court, which interdicted the strike. Moloko Moloto, Johannesburg.